Good morning to all of you. Today, in the continuation of the third semester practicals, we are conducting a practical of Mughlai cuisine in which we will be making a Navratan Korma. Navratan Korma, it is a vegetable based dish in which we will be preparing 9 types of vegetables in the korma. Korma is basically a rich creamy gravy made from brown onion, yogurts and some whole spices, and along with them the vegetables are stewed and cooked along with the gravy. Navratan Korma, we have done some miza over here. We have blanched some vegetables. I'll be showing you some vegetables over here. Blanched cauliflower, around 50 grams of French beans, 50 grams of carrots, blanched carrots, and around 100 grams of peas, green peas. Then we have baby corn over here, around 7 to 8 numbers of baby corn, around 80 gram of paneer, cottage cheese. Then we have julienne of ginger for the garnishing, 2 tablespoonful of ghee, clarified butter, and then for the preparation of korma gravy, we have around 200 grams of onion, which we will be slicing, and after slicing we will fry it till the onion gets golden brown, and after onions are brown we will add some ground spices along with it, whole spices and curd to make a smooth paste of this. And after making a gravy, after making this paste, we will further continue. So now we have our brown onions, then we have roasted some whole spices, in which as you can see we have bay leaves, green cardamom, black cardamom, a half inch of cinnamon with some cloves and black pepper. Then so we'll start making a paste of the brown onions. Then we have curd, around 100 gram of curd, around 100 to 150 gram of curd. Then we have kaju and magaj seeds, which will add a creamy flavor and will also act as a thickening agent. Then we'll add the whole spices, and then we'll give it we'll grind. सीव से जो हमने ग्रेवी बनाई थी उसको हमने पास कर दिया है। और जिस चीज़ की मैं बात करता कि हम सीव इसलिए करते हैं, तो अगर आप देखेंगे तो अब इसमें जो हैं ये स्मॉल फ्रेगमेंट्स हैं या फिर जो पीसेज हैं होल स्पाइसेस के, वो इसमें आपको देखने के लिए मिल जाएंगे जो कि बच गए थे। और यही जब बाद में एक्चुअल प्रिपरेशन हो जाती है और जब गेस्ट के पास खाना जाता है और अगर ये चीज़ गेस्ट के मील में आ जाए तो ये चीज़ अच्छी नहीं लगती है। इसलिए जो है आप कभी भी अगर हम होल स्पाइसेस के साथ जब भी हम ग्रेवीज़ को ग्राइंड कर रहे हैं तो ये ध्यान रखना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि आप सीव से उसको ज़रूर पास करें, ताकि जो इसमें ये होल स्पाइसेस के फ्रेगमेंट्स हैं या फिर जो ये स्मॉल पीसेस आपको दिख रहे हैं, ये बाद में आपके खाने को, आपकी जो प्रिपरेशन है उसको जो है ख़राब ना करें। So now as our brown onion and curd paste is ready, we'll come to actual preparation now. We will add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, ghee for our tempering, and with this we'll add some whole spices, in which we have 3 to 4 cloves and some black peppers, around 4 to 5. Then we have 1 bay leaf, a half inch of cinnamon stick along with 1 black cardamom. Now as our ground spices have started crackling, we will add juliennes of ginger, juliennes of green chilies, so whenever you add curd in any gravy, you need to make sure that you should continuously whisk it so that curd don't get curdle. आपकी जो करछी आपको चलाते रहनी पड़ेगी ताकि जब तक ये इसमें बॉयल ना आ जाए, नहीं तो अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करेंगे तो ये कहीं ना कहीं जो है कर्ड जो है कर्डल हो जाएगी, फट जाएगी और ग्रेवी जो है आपकी ख़राब हो जाएगी. तो कंटिन्यूसली विस्किंग बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है इसकी, ताकि जो है कर्ड जो है वो फटे ना. So now our gravy is ready. It is the time to add our blanched vegetable which we have blanched earlier. We have cauliflower also and some cottage cheese, after adding vegetable, we'll let it cook for around 5 minutes. We'll let it simmer in the stove, and after that, after tasting, we will finish it off with some dry nuts. So now after 5 minutes of simmering, our korma is ready. As you can see, gravy and vegetables have come together, and vegetables have nice coat of gravy. As you can see, it is the time to add some nuts which we have sauteed with butter. We have and raisins. Our Navratan korma is ready, and now we will do the plating of the dish. So our Navratan korma is ready. We have plated it and we have garnished it with a little bit of cream and some nuts, chopped nuts. Along with it, we have served fresh rotis, fulkas. Also, you can serve it. Traditionally, it is served with Romali rotis, naan, and Khamiri roti. Thank you very much.